watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. So today's video is a clean with me, and I'm showing you how I deep cleaned and organized my kitchen. And this is not just a normal clean with me, this is like the ultimate clean with me. It is a two-parter. I had 3 or 4 days worth of footage that I had to fit into 2 20-minute videos for you guys. I have new containers, I cleaned everything out. The kitchen is spotless, so I cannot wait to show you everything that I got done. If you like these types of videos, definitely give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're new, then hello and welcome. I film all different types of videos for you guys, so there's definitely a video for you on my channel. Hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified for when I upload a new video, definitely hit that bell. And yeah, there's just a lot to fit in this video, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you an overview of the kitchen. There are items everywhere. The counters are a mess. The stoves, the utilities are a mess. So I'm just showing you what a state everything is in. And am I the only one that just gets random leftovers and bits and pieces in your refrigerator and it just looks so messy? So we're totally going to fix that today. I think the easiest thing is to start by doing your dishes, so either washing them by hand or just wash them in the dishwasher. It's really easy to put items up, and then that way you have a blank space. You don't have anything in your sink, and it's so more efficient than if you have to wash them and you leave them in your sink. Now I'm taking items out of the cabinet, and what I'm doing is I am using my Mrs. Meyer's in the peony scent. That is one of my favorite scents that they have, and I'm just taking all of the items out of the pantry one shelf at a time, wiping it down, and then I am removing all of the items that are expired or just don't look that great or have staled, and I'm throwing them away. There's no use of keeping anything if it's not edible.
Come and get it, 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 come and get it.
I'm also taking items out of their big boxes so it takes up less space, and if possible, I'm putting them into any kind of storage container that I do have. And then periodically you'll see me grab my phone, and what I'm doing is I'm writing down the containers that I need to pick up at the store and their sizes, so I know that I'm picking up the right size and I'm not buying anything that I don't need.
All that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, come get it. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm at the top, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to.
Before I head to the Container Store, I'm gonna spray the oven with oven cleaner. That way it can set for a few hours and it'll be well coated and easy to remove all of the dirt and grime that has been sitting in the oven.
There is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box.
Alright, so the dishwasher's on. Those are being washed. I just put the stuff in the oven so that can be cleaned. And I took out, sorry, my arms are shaking because I went to the gym and this camera is heavy. But I took out everything that I needed to from the pantry. So all of the expired food is gone, and now I know what exactly I need to keep and what needs to go away. So now I'm gonna go to the Container Store, get the containers for all of the items, as well as some items that I know I will need for the refrigerator, and then I'll be right back. All right, so it's been quite some time later. I went and got a crap ton of these containers. I always wanted them, but they're just so pricey, and I couldn't see myself paying like full price for these. But I love how like they are sleek and modern. They're a little bit more chunky because of the top, but I love how they look and they're really easy to stack. So I got, let me just show you all of the ones that I got. Okay, so I got 4 of these 5-quart containers, and I got 3 of these 9 quarts. They say they're really good for like brown sugar, but they also show you like what else you can fit in there. So I got 3 of these. I got 2 of these 3.4 quarts. These are good for cereal, lasagna, stuff like that. But I think I got these ones for lasagna noodles. And then I got 1 of this 5.5 quart one, which would be good for like chips, pretzels, stuff like that. So I forgot the full price of all of these, but I'll have them linked, of course, down below if you're interested. And then I also got some little containers like this. Oh, I have one more. I actually got one 2.4 quart OXO container. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get started by washing all of these. I can put them in the dishwasher, but I want to use them now, so I'm just going to wash them all by hand with really hot water and some soap, and then these will be good to go to use, and then I'll put all of the items that I need to go in them. I am a big fan of these OXO containers, you guys. Now I totally understand why the Kardashians are obsessed with them. I even have one for little Brooklyn. As you can see, she was like, "Mom, what are you doing with my treats?" But I absolutely love them. So easy to use, they're stackable, and I love that they're clear so you can see exactly what you have and you're not buying duplicates. Here I am putting all of the containers in their designated spot. I am going to move these around later on in the video and in part 2, but I wanted to get all of the items where they should be and arranged so that way I know if I need to get any more containers, I can clearly see what I need to get. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys how everything is turning out so far. Everything has been put into a container. There are a couple of items that I did not fit into a container, so I'll need to go ahead and buy them. Basically, it's a couple of pasta noodles that would look really good if I put them in a container, so I'll just go back and get some more this weekend or this week. So far, this is the shelf for pasta. It was up in this shelf up here, but I rearranged them because I feel like we use the pasta a lot more than we use some of those snacks up there. And then on this shelf, I kept it the same, but as you can see in my last pantry organization video, I had the popcorn in this container and that works really well, so I'm keeping it like that. Have some candy in this little container right here. I think this is cute because sometimes I will leave this on the counter, so I'll leave this in this type of container. This came from IKEA. And then I have the little chocolates in these Rubbermaid containers, which I showed in my last video. And then just have a little bit of snacks in here. And what I did, I just organized it from like biggest to smallest, so it looked a lot neater in this container, and I think that works really well. And then on the bottom shelf, I have just some cans, which I think we don't use that many can items, so I think this is fine. I'm not sure if I can fit one more. If I can, I'll probably buy it and see if I can fit one more on top so I can stack some more cans. But over here, I put all of our breakfast items, so our breakfast cereals, some oatmeal, and then I have this container of grits that I got from IKEA a while ago. And then on the bottom, I kind of organized it, but I have our like workout stuff. So I have our protein powders, all of our powders that we normally use for working out, and then Quentin likes to drink Gatorade, so put the Gatorade down there, and that is our workout counter. And then on the top up here, we have our like nuts and random items. So this shelf right here was here. I just reversed the two, and this has some honey, some peanut butter, some snacking nuts like pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and then I have a couple random things. We like to make bubble tea, so I have our pearls back there, some leftover cereal, and just little tiny things like that that we don't grab all the time. And then on the top is our little stockpile area with just extras that we've picked up, so they're not taking too much room on the shelves down here where we have kind of like limited space or whatnot. Putting them all up here so it's just up and out of the way, and when we need to get anything, we can grab it out of here. Alright, so what did you think of part 1? Definitely not finished, but hopefully by part 2 you guys will enjoy it so much. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you're excited for part 2, and I hope to see you on Thursday in a brand new video. Bye!